With the fall season approaching, what better way to start it than with the taste of pumpkin? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a moist and delicious pumpkin cake. I recommend a homemade cream cheese frosting, which you can see being made in another video. What you will need is 4 large eggs, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 15 ounces of pure pumpkin puree, 1 cup of canola or vegetable oil, 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. In one bowl I've combined 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. In another bowl I've combined 1 cup of lighter dark brown sugar and ½ cup of granulated sugar. Start by mixing all of the spices, baking powder, and baking soda into the flour. Then combine the sugar and wet ingredients into one bowl. Using a hand or stand mixer, mix this on low until completely combined. These directions say to add the wet mixture to the dry mixture, but I have found that the cake turns out very moist when you add the dry mixture to the wet mixture. Now mix your dry and wet ingredients together using your hand or stand mixer and mix on low for about 2 minutes. Scrape down the sides as you go. Just note that your batter will be thick. I use 2 6-inch cake pans and bake these in a 350-degree preheated oven. I set a timer for 35 minutes, but total baking time was around 50 minutes. Just remember that baking times and temperatures can vary, so monitor until the cake is completely baked. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. To get notifications on future content, hit the bell button next to subscribe down below.